Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a basil variety that brings the heat, the fragrance, and the elegance. Meet Everleaf Thai Towers Basil, a compact powerhouse packed with spicy, sweet flavor and incredible garden performance. Everleaf Thai Towers is a Thai-style basil bred for the modern grower. It's part of the Everleaf series known for being a slow to flower, which means more leaves and a longer harvest season. This variety combines the authentic flavor of Thai basil, think anise, clove, and mint, with a dense, upright growing habit that makes it ideal for containers, home gardens, or even indoor growing under lights. Don't let the name fool you. Yes, it's called towers, and it does grow upright, reaching up to 2 feet tall, but it stays neat and bushy, not sprawly and lanky. The stems are strong, the leaves are aromatic, and you'll get loads of usable foliage before you've ever seen a flower. That's the magic of the Everleaf series, delayed flowering and extended productivity. Crush a leaf between your fingers and you'll instantly get a hit with that signature licorice spice scent. It's bold, sweet, and unmistakably Thai. This basil is perfect for curries, stir fries, pho, and summer rolls. It adds a vibrant punch to coconut milk dishes and plays beautifully with chili, lime, and garlic. Everleaf Thai Towers loves full sun, at least 6 to 8 hours a day, and thrives in warm water. If you're growing indoors, make sure it's getting plenty of light or supplement with a grow lamp. It does best in rich, well-draining soil, and while it enjoys regular watering, be sure not to overdo it. Basil hate wet feet. One of the standout features here is just how long this basil holds off in flowering. That means you can harvest leaves for weeks and weeks without losing quality or flavor. When you do harvest, go for the top clusters of leaves. This encourages branching and bushier plant, giving you even more basil to enjoy. And yes, the purple stems, deep green leaves with a slight sheen that make this plant just as ornamental as it is edible. Thai towers isn't just a pretty herb, it's a staple in Southeast Asian cuisine. Add it to the end of cooking to keep it flavor fresh and punchy. Try tossing it in grilled meat skewers, folding it into coconut curries, or mixing it into spicy noodle bowls. Even a simple Thai basil mojito hits different with these leaves. Thanks to its tidy vertical habit, Everleaf Thai Towers does great in pots, especially in balconies, patios, or kitchen counters with good light. It also plays well in the garden beds as a fragrant, edible edging or plant among peppers and tomatoes. And since it's a slow to flower, you get more foliage and less fuss. Everleaf Thai Towers Basil is one of those rare herbs that checks every box. It's flavorful, attractive, compact, and incredibly productive. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to hit that like if you love basil and subscribe for more herb highlights, growing tips, and plant profiles. Until next time, happy gardening.